cozy and spacious on 6.75 acres of privacy. Inside has a lovely open floor plan where you'll find vaulted ceilings and brkfst nook in the kitchen, beautiful wood laminate floors, vinyl windows, bonus office extra bedrm family room, a large living room which opens to the kitchen, and a cozy wood stove and fireplace. Also includes a barn with 5 stalls, a lean-to, wood shed, tack room, and canning room, and crossed-fenced, as well as a carport with living quarters above it. Fully fenced property west/so much space. You must visit.